everyone. So, did you know that the seemingly small and slightly unattractive fruit is actually a potent fine line as well as wrinkle fighter? Now, you might ask why figs are literally such wrinkle warriors. And the reason is actually their high level of antioxidants, including vitamin C, which actually helps combat oxidative stress and is essential in collagen production and helps maintain skin firmness as well as elasticity. Now, to maintain or attain rather these benefits, all you have to do is simply slice one fig in half and then scrape the insides into a bowl, just like this, and smash until smooth with a fork. So once that's complete, you're going to literally spread this fresh fig mixture onto your face, which is, obviously clean and free of all makeup, and let it sit for a max of 5 minutes. Now you can do this recipe, once a week, and that will definitely take care of those little fine lines. Now, this is totally up to you, but I would strongly suggest you continue watching for new recipes and literally forgetting all of those expensive anti-wrinkle products when you can literally find everything you need in nature. Thanks so much.